Hello everyone. We all are going to present our skit on the behalf of House of Playlist. So let's get started.
I am feeling thirsty.
Can you find a drinking fountain here, Sonali?
Okay, mom. Come on, Danny.
No, you are not my boss. I will not come with you.
Wait, Danny. Where are you going? I think Danny must be here. But where is he?
Are you ready for experiment?
Which experiment?
Time traveling, dear. Obviously. Take it.
But what is this?
This is a chronometer. You will travel in the time with the help of this device.
Wow, how cool is this? Traveling in time? So different and exciting. It's so enjoyable than Dad's museum.
Hurry up, dear. I have no time.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. I only need to adjust.
Wait, Danny, you can't go there.
You are not the boss of me.
Oh no. I did not make final setting and he went. If you don't bring him back within 2 hours of a real time, he will lost in the forever.
What?
Now you have to go in time for bringing him back.
But how I get to know he went to the past or a future?
Sorry, I can't help in that. You have to decide this.
Okay, I think I should go in future. Where I come? It's really a future.
Hey human, what are you doing here?
I am finding my brother.
Shut up. You can explain in front of judge. Now let's go with me.
Humans are not allowed. You broke our rule. Now you will get punishment.
Which type of punishment?
You have to choose one option among two, zoo or school.
I would like to go to school.
Okay, take her in school.
What is the solution of 73 crore divided by 7.83
Teacher, answer is 729.
No, answer is wrong. Go to that in metal box. Now stand up. The assistant British wizard used a music skill. Made use of 3 magical objectives. What are they?
The magical objects are 3 white stones.
Yes, you gave correct answer.
Where am I? Is it an airplane or anything else?
Why are you here? Don't you know this is a space station?
I think I should use chronometer. Danny, are you there?
Oh yes, I am enjoying.
Let's go, Danny. We have to return to the present.
No, not at all. You are not my boss.
Are you still here, human? Now I have to bring you in front of captain of this ship.
No, wait, listen to me.
Who are you? Are you a spy or a space crew?
I'm neither a spy nor a space crew.
Then who are you? And how did you come here?
I'm time traveler. I come here to find my brother. Please help me.
Really? Okay, if you are a time traveler, so you have to prove. So, what is the eye color of Allosaurus?
I did not come from the past so far.
So how did you come here?
I came here with a chronometer, but this robot snatched it.
Wait outside. I'm coming back within few minutes.
I think I should go from there. Wow, lots of monitor.
Hey, who are you? What are you doing?
I think I should trick it. In fact, it's a robot.
Hey, what are you thinking?
Nothing. Actually, I came from the past. I could show you if you had better technology.
How dare you to insult our technology?
Really? Okay, prove. Show me some few year ago past time.
Sure.
Wait, Danny is sitting under the table.
Where we are going?
Let's go, Danny.
Welcome back, kids. How was your trip?
It was so exciting.